bitch is hard. Look at that. But he's a that boy lit. Stay lit.
They do got something over there.
So what?
Some Mustang 2024s. I ain't see a 5.0 on it.
This bit right here though.
Nice.
God.
Oh, it's a 2022.
That bit 70-some thousand. That bit tinted, boy. They got the automatic window. Everything electric.
You need a spray in, and it's locked.
Yup.
It's got the step bar.
I saw that. Eco Boost.
It's an Eco Boost?
Yeah.
I wouldn't even care for real.
I don't care. Look, I ain't seen that one with. I slick goddamn take that right there. No cap, y'all. Don't judge me. Just for that big ass screen in their car. The little Mustang SUV.
My friend got one.
That's a little 5.0 right there. Like I said, little Hemi. Little Hemi. That bit clean though.
Hey, this one's nice.
Oh God. But it might be a sport edition.
It said Mach.
What the fuck?
Mach something.
E4.
So they sport. This thing got cameras everywhere. Cameras are.
Look at this screen, if y'all can see. Hold on. There y'all go. That screen is huge, man.
They don't look as good on the white as it does on the gray and that. This blue.
Be really sexy.
I like it.
Oh, that blue hard.
That
You got a little pearl in it, a little purple. A little bit. Am I tripping?
I bet you do got some flakes.
I told you, I can tell you. I can see it. They got a lot of these out here. Oh, there's some more trucks right now. This a 5.0 right here.
They got that trimmer.
It's 5.0.
Oh.
Thank you, thank you.
Lights out here.
Don't mind if we do.
I don't want to look though. This one blacked out. That's different from the other one. No, it ain't. This thing's $63,000.
That bitch gonna stay right there too.
That's right there. New Mustang for that.
Oh, bullshit.
Oh, look at that truck. Look at the badging on it.
Oh my God. But somebody got one on our road. It was on the end of the road. I don't think they stayed here though.
That looks 10 times better than all these other ones. Light wood. I ain't gonna lift them.
Most of these bitches 5.0s and shit. Oh, look at that white motherfucker right there. I don't even want to look at that bit. I already know. Let's move this truck, put the car up there. Look at that bitch.
Got a little kid on it.
They gotta put that bitch in neutral, crank that bitch up. Let it be roll. Bitch. I don't see no stick. Oh, it's on the other side. I get this bit right here though. I like this. Simple. Look at the screen in here. Lord. Got a whole 28-inch TV. That bitch 65.9. 659.
Why is this one cheaper than the other one? This got a look cheaper. And weird.
Depending on the year. I ain't see what year it was. Probably 17. It's a what? 23.
I was gonna say it's got a lift.
Eco boost. What kind of gear shift? What kind of gear shift it got in it?
The one you like? That's what I'm trying. It's the model. It's gotta be. But you don't put these wheels on a high level.
It's something. There's something different about it. We can't put our finger on it.
I don't know. It's cheap. I ain't gonna say cheap for a truck.
I can get a proof of that. That be 63. Before discount, that be 65 and shit. That's an eco. The big ass antennas on this bit. Power boost. Hi. Jetpack.
Cloth seat.
Smell good.
Oh, look at this one.
75 years. That's a big ass steering wheel. I love this shit. I love this shit. Oh my god. Y'all know what they're for, don't y'all? Let me show you a little something. Hold on, I'm trying to put them on game. Hold on. You lay that down right there. You got your lady over there. She ain't getting hurt no more. You gonna keep that in the clip?
No.
Damn. Cut that. This is for a picnic when it raining. Since J Lit won't let me keep this in the clip. That shit sexy. But I know somebody truck that shit got stuck though. They said don't let that bit down all the time.
What? Oh, let me see. Yeah, I low-key like these. All right, so my friend got one. I'm gonna see if I can get the picture from the messages. and post it. She said she loves hers. Matter of fact, I'm about to send her a message right now. Actually, I'm gonna actually show y'all. Show y'all a picture of it. It is right here. She got the GT version of it. It's a Mach E GT performance. That's hers. Well, it looks a lot better than these. So these, they don't have the performance package brakes on it. I mean, it looks like it's got a Brembo in there, but who knows? But these cool looking. Them lights are nasty. Nasty good. This man done hopped in the truck. Man, if you don't get up out that truck. How you feel?
Man, it did comfortable.
All right, come on.
Hold on,
You can't.
let me take it back.
All right. Uh-oh, something done happened. Alright, I'm finna walk over here to the Mustangs, see if they got a couple 5.0s out here. They got some 2022s, but what you said? Why? It's not even an EcoBoost?
It's a power boost.
Whatever that means.
3.5.
It is Lexus, yo.
It's a high model, low model vehicle. Hold on.
What?
I ain't tripping.
What you see?
What they got on the glow?
What?
On the side glow? You didn't see that, did you?
On the truck? Nah, I ain't see that. Okay, I can't keep walking through this water.
Just stay right there, you can see it from there.
It's probably got a light up under the door.
That bit was bright as fuck.
I don't know what you saw. Let's go to them. Let's go to the Mustangs. That ugly. The cars are nice.
I need a Gen 5.0.
This the performance one I was talking about.
Yeah, red color.
Mm-hmm. She built hers.
How old is
We got some Broncos we're gonna go take a look at in a second. But hit them 2024 things, but I think these are all V6s or EcoBoosters.
They ugly as shit too.
Cause look at the screen, they got the screens that are split.
2.3 EcoBoost, yep.
Yeah, look, they got the split screens, it's not all in one. This one's all in one. This one's probably a premium. Yep, it's a premium. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, but I do like the front ends. Look at them lights. Huh? I said I didn't. I don't know if I seen a 5.0 or if they had any. I wonder which one Brendan went to go look at. He went to one today, or when in his video.
Somebody got one.
Huh?
Somebody had one.
It's bright out here.
I see this bit right here.
This one look cool. Yeah, that truck.
Oh, jackpot, baby.
And you got the baby Bronco. I don't know what that is.
Look at the quality on this screen. Real.
Oh, that's hard. This screen is crazy.
Hey, yeah, the way Junior.
Hold on.
You know,
They gotta show my peoples. I like it. Hey, I like this.
On good.
Sorry, y'all, my camera focus. Or the camera Hey, what you touching?
The seat.
Hey, man, the finger too close to
See
me.
how I look in the back.
Oh, I thought that was my phone.
That shit gonna hurt. You gonna be ready to go home. Fuck that.
What?
That orange Jeep.
Oh, that's nice too. Focus.
What the hell don't happen? Somebody roll again?
There you go. But that's about it out here. We're gonna go look at this Jeep. I popped the hood. These lights crazy too.
What the fuck?
What the rest of it?
I don't know.
What side of the engine in here? Stick on the other side. It's 2.7? 2.7, 10 speed. Should have focus. There you go. Let me see. Is it twin turbo?
Nah, it gotta be a 1.5. It's a 1.7. I mean 2.7. Gotta be.
Yeah, power stroker.
Look at that bitch.
Let's see if it's open. I doubt it. Yep.
You didn't do it right. You gotta touch it right. Hey, I know you want to unlock, but
Don't be hitting no buttons. Set the alarm off. Hey. Keep tugging on it and putting numbers in. I bet it go off.
Hey, what is it? An air cover?
It look like Dodge's like smoke show. I smell some good smelling food, y'all. I just said that. That look good. And it's a Rubicon. Got the winch on it, steel bumper. Got the light bar on it. What suspension they got on here? Fox. Nah. That's nice.
Mostly.
Well, you ain't getting no Jeep. You ain't getting no Jeep to go fast.
They got a jungle line on this bitch.
Customizable.
It might be a jacket.
Right, it's a Jeep. They can put that on there.
That'd be brand new.
That is not brand new.
Oh yeah, it is.
This ain't no Dodge. There ain't no Jeep dealership. Yeah. You? Go ahead and get you a work truck.
I got a work truck.
Go get you another one of these ugly
I don't
things.
need another work. I got my work truck. I need a 5.0 if I get a truck. 5.0. I feel like this is 5.0 because that bitch got a 11 to put on. No Eco Boost. I think it's Eco Boost. Eco Boost. It might be on V8 right here.
This is the best looking truck out here.
That white.
This place is nice. Ain't no telling. My feet better get wet. Y'all in these Explorers. This one a little longer.
You got a roof. Yo, it's an expedition, ain't no Explorer.
I'm about to say it.
10 speed. Auto, trans.
Hey, y'all, I'm about to change my colors back on the car.
Yeah, it's gonna be a jacket on it.
Finna go back white and black.
Black and orange. Black and orange.
We're gonna end it off on this nice F-150 EcoBoost. Huh? Do they got the price on it? Look at the back. I like these wheels real bad. It's the first thing you said when we walked up.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
My brain lad.
Quiet truck.
I need a 6.7 then for my work truck. How about that?
My bed too long.
You gotta pull your damn car. Yeah, now you gonna say get that beat.
Go ahead and get it. It'll pull it easy. Not for 85K though.
I just want to tie.
Y'all gonna follow me on the ground. Enter Steppa. Hey, I don't know if y'all remember that Trackhawk I showed y'all in the last video. This my old car salesman, Carlos. That's his car. He got a Trackhawk, not a Trackhawk, I'm sorry, not Trackhawk, TRX and this Audi S5. Huh? What I said? I said probably not. Yeah, look at this straight 8. Yeah, I know the old big dog before the before the scats and all that. And I love these wheels. Look at that steering wheel. Straight 8. Now these 5.0s out here. They got more 5.0s than the Ford dealership. Got a GT right here. You better get in? Bro, it's probably got, I don't know, a manual one.
Hello, you got the camera on the plate, boy.
Huh? That's too small. He can get in the Camaros though.
Oh shit.
Huh?
You got more room than y'all.
Right, it don't look like it.
Bro.
You do not look comfortable at all.
I'm very comfortable.
It don't look like it, bro. You sitting off the seat. Bro, ain't no way, bro. You don't. Is that a manual? Yeah. I got an RT back there. Oh, that's a brand new one. Stop messing with that clutch. You messing with the clutch. You messing with the clutch. You play with the gear? Oh. They must close early now, cause it ain't even but it's not even 8 o'clock yet. Ain't nobody in the sales tower. They got, hold on, they got some stuff on the floor. Like a swinger. I can't tell for sure, but they done lost their mind. 47.2 for RT black package. My RT back in 2019, look just like this, same style, ain't nothing changed, but they put them 345 badges on there. I started that back in 2019 though. But my car was 37, $37,000 for a brand new RT. All these basic SCs, XXTs, XXT black top. I'm surprised they still even make them front ends. They ain't got nothing down there. Got RT right here. And cinnamon stick. Love this color. 345 badges, did that. Been there, done that. Challenger's always cheaper, 44. Black top RT, 2023. I don't think they got nothing down there, huh? Oh, no, they got either, is that a Rebel or a Power Wagon? Like a Power Wagon. That's a Rebel. 1500. If y'all don't know, this is my dream, not my dream truck, because it's very obtainable. I can go switch the Camaro out for this, but I want this and a Camaro. We're gonna try to make it work. Gotta get some things in place. It's not even open. It's got a 12-inch screen in it. Look at that. The one I want though, I want the black with the red seats though. Nico's still sitting down there in that car. Rebel. I want a black one though, black or red. See, hold on. They done lost their mind. They done lost their mind. I can go get one lifted up in Texas, slightly used, probably 20, 30,000 miles on it for about $48.50. Why would I get a basic one, brand new, for $78? Not gonna be me. Nah, look at this 2500 though. I really like that. Look at that. Look how that just stood out. Big boy. Talking about pull 2 cars easy. Murdered out. Cummins in it. Look at it. Y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see it. It got flakes in it too. This one's got the 12-inch screen. Got 12-inch screen in it too. I wouldn't care. It needs a roof, but it's got cloth seats. Can't do cloth seats. Dang, I thought Nico was gonna come walk with me, man. Got me out here by myself. Trying to see what else they got. I don't see no more Rebels in that. You got big horn, big horn, big horn, big horn, big horn. They used to lift them big horns. They might got one up front. Oh, look at this Durango. Probably a V6. No, that's an RT. These look nice. Old Hellcat or old Hellcat hood. Huh? Scary. I ain't got an RT Durango. Huh? This one open too. 61. Hey, come sit in the Durango. I little leg. You? It's clean, yo.
Hey, when we go back over there, you gotta sit in that bit.
Why?
Bro, I'm telling you. Only thing it is just, you don't tell me to sit in, you gonna enjoy that.
It got a, bro, it's got it.
You got a roof.
Yeah, it got a roof.
Line that bitch up for nigga. It's smooth.
And they got a big screen and a roof. Oh, hey, they gonna be my seat. Oh, they got captain seats too. Oh no, this ain't. Hold on. Let the seat up.
I got a lot of things too. I got wireless charging in this hoe. You in, Junior?
We good. We good.
There you go. It's too.
Comfortable. Even your seat, you can drive like that.
Yeah, I'm straight. I got a lot of
Oh, cool. I'm trying to show y'all the leg room in here. Hold on.
That's all I need right here. How much that bitch time?
61. But that's brand new though. Like I'm cool. Like even though it's touching almost. Like if I put my knees all the way up.
You cut my lights on, boy.
Nah, this more like it over here though. I'm chilling. Good leg room. I don't know about the back though.
Hey, stop all that moving back there now.
Can we watch a movie?
You watch G. Where my sunglasses at?
Got good space in. Road trips and everything. Get a trailer. Put the camera on the back. Then I be petting no gas. I got my car on the back. What? I don't know how to act. I finished walking down that road. Come on, Nico. He looking at the rebel. Not beside the price. I like that color. I don't know if they call it octane red in the Jeeps and these no more. Black package. Nice. Roof and everything. That black nasty. Oh, it's a RT.
It has a manual.
It is?
Yeah.
Ew.
Oh, they be unlocked.
You done been in a challenge all your life.
They be a manual too.
They gonna be here for a long time.
Huh?
They gonna be here a long time. The manuals. There's a lot in there. They got a bunch of RTs. Let me see if these are manuals too. Bro, why are they ordering all these manuals? 6-speed manual. 43,000 for an RT. I had to talk to the manager. I like the new car manager. All these manuals. And this one got a roof in it. RT Plus. Automatic, the way it should be. They ain't got nothing else. They got a Sprinter van up here. Some RTs. B5 RT. They really did close earlier. Hold on. They got something on the floor though. Yeah, it's just a scat. Is it a swinger? Nah, it ain't no swinger. It's not even a wide body. That's the only car they got in there though too. And they remodeled everything too. We got Jeep on this side. We got everything else on the other side. Got the cleaners, the workers in there. Trying to look at the back ends. Let's see, I see a couple of Rebels. So yeah, if you can't tell the difference, look at these lights. See how they look? See how they look? And then they change on the blue one. Those are Rebels. Got the Jeep Mojave edition. I miss selling cars. Then you got the Willys, got the Rubicon Gladiator, got the Rebels, got a bunch of them. 1, 2, they got 4 of them, 5 of them. It's a scat in there. These basic, ain't got no red liner. Rhino liner. I said red liner. What is it? How they put all the options on there? Harman Kardon sound system, 19 speakers, 75. This one got a flake in it. Oh, here it is, y'all. You got the red 12-inch screen, red accents on the seats, stitching, all that. Door, Rhino liner. This is it. This the one. Black and red interior. See if we got a roof. And is it a roof right there? I can't tell. And a roof. That's the one.
I'll pick this one right here.
Probably the same. No roof.
I ain't got no roof.
What is it? Bighorn Sport. That's a Laramie right here.
That long as shit.
It's not a long bit.
It's long without
It is longer. But he got diamond, he got flakes in there too. I'll go show y'all the scat real quick before this thing die. Yeah.
Hey, can they hit it?
Huh? Oh, I didn't even think about that. Hold on. I'm doing that though. They probably heard that all video. Wide body deep dish wheels. Yes, sir. I bet it's basic. Cloth seats. Yup. Yup. Paint splitter. Keep it on. Hey, thumbnail.